Welcome to our tutorial on optimizing your product page with cross-sells and upsells. In this video, we will explore how to strategically use our app to enhance your customers' shopping experience. Finally, let's assign frequently bought together bundles to your product page. Select the items you'd like to include in a bundle with your main product. Set the price, and voila! Your customers can now easily shop these items together, all conveniently displayed on your product page. It's a seamless way to enhance the shopping experience and encourage bundled purchases. Note that you can have all three options displaying in your product pages: cross-sells, upsells, and bundles. While you may not want to activate all options for every product, it's entirely up to you and your selling strategy. Perhaps certain products perform better with cross-selling, while others thrive with upselling or bundled offers. The key is that you have the tools to craft the best shopping experience for your customers, tailoring it to their preferences and maximizing your sales potential. Ready to cross-sell? Start assigning products to your product pages and witness the impact on your sales. Watch our other tutorials for more tips.